Hi, it's Sasha here from HomeDesignsAI. Welcome to the floor editor tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to effortlessly transform your space by changing the flooring with our AI-powered tool. Let's get started. Here are some benefits of using the HomeDesignsAI floor editor. So the AI automatically detects the floor area in the image that you uploaded. This means that it can transform the flooring without affecting any other elements in the image. Number two, you can experiment with different flooring options by simply uploading an image. Number three, customizable patterns. Use the select repeat of an image option to control the size and pattern repeat of your flooring design. And finally, the floor editor tool is super quick and easy to use. Let's upload a high quality image of the space that you want to change the flooring of. Next, upload an image of the flooring material that you want to apply to your own space. This could be a wood texture, tiles, marbles, anything you have in mind. After you've uploaded the image, use the select repeat of an image option to control the size and pattern repeat of your flooring design. Now click generate floor designs, and just like that you can transform any flooring. Just to show you the difference when it comes to selecting the repeat of an image, this is the 4x4 one, much more consistent, and this is the 1x1 one. To get the most out of this tool, make sure you use high quality images, experiment with different floor designs, and finally use color palettes. This will ensure that the floor design harmonizes well with the rest of your space. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you need any further assistance or support, our support team is here to help. You can also select the need help icon in the bottom right hand corner for 24/7 support. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials on the different modes and features available on HomeDesignsAI.